Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video gallery like this in your Shopify store. So to have a video section like this, very first you have to install an app called Iconic Sections. If you don't have this app, then just hit install and you can start using it right away. So I have this one already installed in my Shopify store. Here you can find this section video slider. And you can also see a lot of other sections available here as well. So let's start with this section. You have to select your theme and then click install. And this will quickly install this section. Then hit customize theme. It will open up your theme editor and let you add this section in your Shopify store. So here you have to click add section and then you can find video slider. So as you can see, I have added the section, but it's not visible because you have to enable the iconic section embed option if you haven't enabled that before. Click save and then let's dive into customizing this section as per the requirement. So very first you can see there are these sections with free few videos options like this. Here you can see a lot of settings available about this section. Like this is first of all a setting for the width. If you want this section to be full width or wrapped up in a container size. Then you can decide what should be the background for this section. It can be a gradient as well. And then either you can use your own themes fonts or you can overwrite with another fonts as well. Then there is a setting for alignment, width, and you can add all your text like this here. And then finally you have all the settings for video. Do you want to autoplay or not? Do you want to show the pagination, navigation, then the video icons, size, play icon, volume icon, and finally the padding and margin. Once you set all these settings, you can start adding your videos. So very first you have to have your videos uploaded into the Shopify files. Once you have those videos, here it will be visible like this. I have selected few videos and you can see it started showing those videos like that. So once you do all these video selections, you can upload this section to your store and make it live. So here is the final outcome. You can have similar like this with some of your customizations, and that's it. It's ready to use section. There is no need to add or edit any code inside this. Everything can be managed easily from all the settings, and if you are a developer and want to customize more, you can add your custom CSS here. Thanks for watching, and if you need any help with this section, reach out to our support team anytime.